Okay. Hi, my name is Tan Hua Heng. I will present the introduction. For the introduction, the recycle is a process by turning an old and used material into a new product. There are many types of recycling process in the industry, but the main method for recycling in this report study will be optimized sorting method. This sorting method can be divided into three types, which are size sorting, type sorting, and color sorting. The automation used in this plastic recycling process are all programmable automation, as this sorting process needs high precision and accurate. Therefore, programmable automation is the best choice, as there are also a variety of plastic. Furthermore, automation helps to improve in quality product, improve worker safety, cost reduction, and increase production.
Hello, my name is Richie Godarapai. So I'm going to explain the process from the yellow bin until finished product. So for the first process, waste is collected and put inside the yellow bag or the yellow bin. So you can see different kind of plastics are found in yellow bag. Some of them are usable waste that can be recycled. And then bottles then made of different types are found in yellow bag and will be sorted according to their types. The three types of plastic are found, for example, HDPE, high density polyethylene, PET, polyethylene terephthalate, and PP, polypropylene. And then waste is gathered to be put in sorting process. For example, 120 tons are gathered and sorting takes place automatically. And then in a large machine hole, the flows waste runs over a 2.5 kilometer on conveyor belt. So for the first stage, the materials falls into a large rotary sieve. For elaboration, various packaging and other materials are sorted accordingly to their size. Smaller pieces will fall into hole. The rest is transported to two additional dams. And then 5 separate streams are created containing different size material. Separating the material by size makes the sorting procedures more easier. And after that, in the special air separator, blows out a lighter material such as foil out of the stream. Most of the air separator and other machines removes most of the foil out of the stream. And then next, the infrared scanner will scan the types of plastic during the process. For example, as soon as the infrared scans the presence of the PP bottle caps, PET or PP plastics, the air pressure will shoot them out of the stream. The already well sorted material will be collected manually by hands despite of the automated process of sorting out. Then the most useful plastics will be stay on belt and the sort of plastics will be pressed into bales. So for the useful plastics such as HDPE will be used to make pipes or specialized pellets. PP plastic will be used to make flower pots or buckets, and PET plastics will be turned into fibers used in the fleece, sweaters, or furniture. Next, further processing of solid plastic fractions. HDPE bottle ended up in the shredded. The result in clean plastic shreds and special procedures sort out the last unwanted remains. And then the shreds will be found in a colorful mixture of clean flakes. So most of it are made of HDPE, and the flakes will be sorted out by colors in the special sorter. After the color sorting takes place, they will melted down and turn into dirty gray. HDPE particles will run on the slide piece by piece. So here special mechanics allow the machine to isolate single flakes from a larger mass. And then the LEDs will light up the material stream while the sensor will recognize the different colors. The data will be analyzed by the computer and a blast of air will shoot out the unwanted colors. And then the process will be repeated from the start of two and on the next two and the final repetition on the last one. So the result is, for example, the result is an output of 800 kg of sorted HDPE flakes per hour and the purified level well are above 99%. And then after that, the materials will be melted in an extruder under 220 degrees Celsius. The melt is pressed through a filter and once again purified. Then the liquefied plastic is cooled and processed into granule. Next, the granule is fed into the machine and melted in special extruder. So the bottles are formed under the air pressure. And for the final process, excess material trimmed off and the bottles are ready. Finally, the HDPE bottles are filled up and ready to deliver to shop.
Okay, my name is Eric Sai Cheng. I will be presenting about the types of automation involved. The basic element of automated system in this process are sensors, actuators, and also control system. Besides, this process use programmable automation as the whole mechanical system. In programmable automation, the product equipment is designed with capability to change the sequence of operation to accommodate different products configuration, especially in sorting process. The operation sequence is controlled by a program, which is set of instruction code. So this code can be read and interpreted by the system. New program can also be prepared and enter into equipment to produce a new product. The main advantage of this programmable automation used is in plastic recycling industry is that this automation have greater flexibility to deal with variation and change in product as it is much sensitive enough. As for the opinion, from my opinion, nowadays there are more automated factories built and come with many environmental benefits. There are many things that automation system contributes to the sustainability of the environment. One of it is most of the advanced automation system or technology being upgraded in infrastructure, which help to reduce the climate-related risks. Then another opinion is that the robot marketing, some of the factories or company provide and upgrade robots where they can perform basic chores, indoor and outdoors, such as cleaning, mowing, and vacuuming. It helps to reduce energy consumption and pollution emission. Thank you.
So for the conclusion, as a conclusion, automation systems are very important and widely used in many industrial jobs, especially in painting to welding to carrying heavy equipment. Next, automation industry help in producing many inverted robots, advanced machines and tools, more automated factory and improved robots. Automation helps in many aspects, for example, improve the quality life of humans at home or work, increase in productivity, more efficient use of materials in plastic, furniture, clothes, and many more, and also better products of quality. Furthermore, by having a lot of automation factory or company, help to shorten the work week for labor and reduce factory lead times. So for the emphasis, the figure 1 is for the process of recycling plastic in Southern Germany. So for the figure 2, the waste are put on the conveyor belt